this video, I'll show you how to create an Apple account or Apple ID. For this method, you can use any device, be it your iPhone, your Android, your PC, or your MacBook. All you need is a web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, anything of your choice. So the first thing you're going to do is launch your browser and visit the following website: account.apple.com. Great. Now once you get to this site, look at the top right and click Create your Apple account. Great. Now on the next page, you're going to be presented with this form. You have to fill in your details, and most importantly, you're going to need a working email and a working phone number. For the sake of this video, I'm going to fill in random details to create this account. So let's start. You fill in your first name, and your last name. Select your country, date of birth, email, create a password, confirm your password, type in your phone number, and then scroll down to the bottom and type in the security characters in the image. Then click Continue. Perfect. So on the next page, you're going to be required to verify your email address. This is why you have to use a valid email, because you're going to be sent a verification code to this email, which you have to paste in here. So now I'm going to open the email address, find the email from Apple, copy the code, and paste it here. Then click Continue. Now on the following page, Apple is going to send a verification code to your phone number. So check your SMS, get the code, and type it in the required space. Then click Continue. Perfect. So typing in the verification code that was sent to your phone number is the last step of the account creation process. From here, you'll be directly logged into your Apple ID or Apple account. Thanks for watching.